Taco Queen here. I'm doing squishy video packaging opening thing. I'm wearing gloves just to stay safe. So yeah. Okay, first thing that I got was this defected cat. It's got pen marks, some weird initials on it. Super weird. It got defects in the paint. Couldn't really see. Sorry guys, bad lighting. It's dark outside. Next thing that's in there is super defected. Like, as you can see, it's defected. Especially like that. I can stick my finger in there. It's disgusting. Kind of slow rising. And it's supposed to be jumbo. Both of those were supposed to be jumbo. And I spent like $50 on this. Less than $50, like $40. Next thing that I pull out is this ugly defective macaron. It's like a stress ball. Really ugly. Okay. Next thing that I pull, well, I don't really pull it out. It's laying across my bed. Sorry, you just saw the next one. Okay. I got this ugly winky face. These are all defective. It's supposed to be medium or jumbo. Cannot remember. My eagles make weird noises. Okay. This one isn't as defected as the rest of them. See, still defected though. This has got nasty brown stuff all over it. It's not really squishable. Yeah. Next thing that is here is this too squishy. Sorry guys, my hand is shaking. My camera holder is broken. I had to order a new one. It's not here yet. Okay, this little ball chain is coming out. So many defects. Okay, got a little defect in there. Defects. Focus. It's got that. It's not even slow rising as I asked. Next thing, this is actually the one thing that I ordered. Okay. But you haven't seen the worst stuff yet. Wrapped all the way around. This is the worst part. You can literally dig your finger all the way in there. Slow rising, just like I asked though. Just some defects. I got the one thing that I asked for. This is also what I asked for, but it's disgusting. Also, super dirty. Super dirty. This is why you wear gloves when you open a squishy package that you don't really trust. I also saw this at Walmart and Target when I was squishy hunting. Also, check out Walmart, guys. They got tons of squishies. Like they got PB&J. The helicopter also has this squishy. She has this squishy also. 2 squishy. But if you watch one of her latest videos, then yeah, you'll see that video. Also, this thing is bigger than my hand. My hand looks bigger because these baggy gloves. Okay, guys. Sorry, camera just turned off. Bloopers. Okay, that didn't really make sense. These are all my cousins. I gave her a squishy, like a super new squishy for all of these. These are all her super old squishies. Also, just bought that one. Thanks for watching. See you all later. Bye.